In tune to Black One, the real champion. Anything test, dead and burial, can say that rough. Now big up all New York massive, all Texas massive. Ring, 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 ring. Why, why? No sound, boy, don't cry. Wipe those tears from your eyes. Black One is playing for you and I. So don't cry, no, no. The heights at great sound reach and keep. We're not attained by sudden flight, but they while their companions slept was killing sound through the night. Yes, we have our to play, and Black One really no shame. Kill anything that cross our borderline. So don't cry, no, no, hey. Remember Biggie Yard, how we used to live. 20 of us in one big room, with no bed to sleep in. Some bunks sit on the floor, some bunks sit on cardboard, some bunks sit on the big long bench. Hey, hey, hey. But now we past the worst. People scorn, grudge and curse. They don't remember where Black One is coming from. So don't cry, sound boy, hey. No, sound boy, don't cry. Wipe those tears from your eyes. Black One is playing for you and I. So don't cry, no, no, hey. We kill your sound already from the first 2 minutes. Now we're gonna kill your sound again. So don't cry, my friend. No, sound boy, don't cry. Wipe those tears from your eyes. Black One is playing for you and I. So don't cry, no, no. Don't cry, no, no, no. Little Sambo, boy, yeah. Don't cry, no, no, no. Black One is playing for you, you and I. The heights at great sound reach and keep.